Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. If your iPhone is showing iPhone unavailable, Security Lockout, or iPhone is disabled, it usually means the wrong screen passcode has been entered too many times. Once the device reaches this stage, you may not be able to access the home screen, your applications, or your personal files. In this video, I will show you how to reset the unavailable iPhone and set the device up again. Before we begin, please understand one important point. Removing a forgotten screen passcode requires the iPhone to be reset, so the data currently stored on the device will be erased. If you already have an iCloud backup or a backup saved on a Windows PC or Mac, you may be able to restore your data after the reset. Use this tutorial only on your own iPhone or a device you are authorized to manage. Now, let's move to the computer. Open your browser and visit the official PassFab website using the link provided in the video description. Download PassFab iPhone Unlock for your Windows, PC, or Mac. Now launch PassFab iPhone Unlock. The software includes different recovery tools for supported iPhone and iPad situations. For this video, we need the feature used to remove or reset the iPhone screen passcode. Select the Unlock iOS screen option from the main interface. Now connect the unavailable iPhone to the computer using a reliable USB cable. If PassFab detects the device normally, you can continue directly. However, because this iPhone is locked on the unavailable screen, the software may ask us to place it into recovery mode. Follow the instructions displayed inside PassFab for your specific iPhone model. For an iPhone 8 or later model, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Continue holding the side button when the Apple logo appears. Release it only when the recovery mode screen is visible. Once the iPhone enters recovery mode, PassFab should detect it automatically. The next screen will display the detected device information and the available iOS firmware package, and click Download. The firmware package can be several gigabytes, so make sure your computer has enough free storage and a stable internet connection. The download time will depend on your internet speed. Keep the iPhone connected and wait until the firmware has been completely downloaded and verified. Once the firmware is ready, the software will begin resetting the iPhone and removing the unavailable screen. During the process, the iPhone may restart several times. You may see the Apple logo, a loading bar, a black screen, or the recovery mode screen. This is normal. Do not disconnect the USB cable. Do not close PassFab. Do not turn off or restart the computer. Now wait until PassFab confirms that the screen passcode has been removed successfully. Once the process is complete, the iPhone will restart and display the hello screen. This means the iPhone unavailable screen and the previous screen passcode have been removed. Now swipe up and begin setting up the iPhone. Select your preferred language, choose your country or region, connect the device to a stable Wi-Fi network, then continue through the setup instructions shown on the screen. During setup, Apple may ask for the Apple account previously connected to this iPhone. This is called activation lock, and it is separate from the screen passcode. Removing the unavailable screen does not automatically remove Apple's ownership protection. If the activation lock screen appears, enter the Apple account and password previously linked to the device. On some eligible devices, Apple may also display an option called Unlock with Passcode. If that option appears, tap it and enter the previous device passcode requested by Apple. If you forgot the Apple account password, use Apple's official account recovery service. If the iPhone was purchased from another person, contact the previous owner and ask them to remove it from their Apple account. Once the ownership verification is complete, continue setting up the iPhone. When you reach the apps and data screen, choose the recovery option that matches your backup. Select Restore from iCloud Backup if your data is stored in iCloud. Select Restore from Mac or PC if you previously created a computer backup. If you do not have a backup, select Don't Transfer Apps and Data and set up the device as new. Then continue through the remaining setup screens. Once the welcome screen appears, tap Get Started. As you can see, the iPhone is now accessible again and the unavailable screen has been removed. So the complete process was simple. We downloaded PassFab iPhone Unlock, connected the unavailable iPhone, placed it into recovery mode, reset the forgotten screen passcode, and then set the iPhone up again. You will find the official PassFab download link in the video description. If you experience any problem during the process, leave a comment with your iPhone model and the exact screen or error message you are seeing. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.